So I'll just make a new this one. I have used GPDK 180. So I am selecting transistors from GPDK 180 only. Width of PMOS, make it 4. Then again PMOS. Check and say. Check. So there is no errors found. So now things will start. So once you have completed the schematic, I think this layout Excel. So new layout configuration should be automatic. Don't change anything. So it will ask license is not there, yes, and all. You say yes. So this is on the side, a new layout will be opened for you. Okay. So this by default is a p-type substrate. Okay. So everything is a p-type substrate. Since configuration I have taken automatic, I can directly import that. Click on connectivity, generate all from source. Okay. Save okay. So I have just did, click on connectivity, generate all from source. Then this layout as it is can be done very well, but since you are new to the lab, you have to just extend this, click on somewhere else, press yes, yes for stretch. Okay, stretch this. Okay, then click on Shift F. Shift F is for weaving your components. So what I did?
Stretch. S and Shift F.
Used the stretch and made the layout bit bigger. It will consume area, but since you are new to this, you will be comfortable in doing this. Then I have just pressed Shift F to view the components. Shift I pressed. Shift S or
Shift F.
Shift F only to view the components. Okay. Then click on place pin placement. Place pin placement. You will get an option place as in schematic. So all the pins will be placed as we have done in schematic. So V in will be on the left side, power will be on the top, output will be on the right, ground will be on the bottom. Click on power, make it H ray, create H ray. Click on ground, make it H ray and close. So instead of one single contact,
you can have a whole line of contact.
Because power and ground, no, they will carry currents. Made the length accordingly, and these can be connected to different parts conveniently. So ground and power are there placed. Now you rearrange also this as comfortable. Click on this. Just make sure you position them as per your convenience. You can also click on PMOS. Substrate is not visible now. Okay, so right click, properties, parameter, body tie type, detached. Okay, so substrate of PMOS is visible.
Same for MOS.
Properties, body tie type, detached. So substrate of MOS is also visible. Okay. So this is how the layout is. You can also rotate this as per your convenient. If you want to connect that, there is an option also to rotate. Say rotate right. So the layout
Connection will be easy.
Properties, rotate right. Connection will be easy. You can after that you can also Click on it. Move it conveniently.
So can we restretch again, sir, afterwards in the end? Can we unstretch it again back to smaller size? Stretch ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ to keep it properly. Can we bring it back to a smaller size?
ಇಲ್ಲ, because you have placed the components.
So cannot anymore.
You can only make it
bigger.
enlarged.
Okay.
Then click on this, any one of the contact. I have clicked on input. Click on P and just move the cursor. It will tell you where all it should connect the input. Input should be connected to poly. Green color shows poly or the gate. This is S, source. This is D, drain. V0 should be connected. For this, power should be connected. Whereas this is poly, it is showing you how the interconnection. Similarly for PMOS, this is bulk, ground or the source, and this is drain. Right click, just extend it, right click, finish wire. It will only connect. Okay, so this is a metal to poly contact. Okay, then from here this connection is not done poly. It will show, just extend it, say finish one.
Nice.
Okay, this is the easiest way to make. This is input. Then you also have substrate to be made, connection. So just press on this yes, extend this metal layer. Source should be connected to power. So it has internally source and power are connected. Now I am connecting it to ground. Similarly, this if it shows, don't worry. If it doesn't show also, you can connect because you know the connections. So source and the body both are connected. Then this is output pin. Output should be connected to drain. You can see red color is a metal too. So it has taken one more metal. Okay, and to make a connection, because if this metal touches here, there will be a short.
One more is there, no, sir?
Now these metal and poly actually are close to each other, so you may get some error. Let us see. So this is about layout. Click on check and save. Then after check whether you have done all connections. I think we have done all the connections. Okay, then start, go to Ashura. I have to check for design rule violations. There may be design rule violations because these two are adjacent to each other. You should maintain a different
Gap.
gap, some distance. Click on Ashura. Technology. Now you are not finding no technological library being selected. So what you have to do, click on these dots. Click on this, go double dot. This will go back. Go till install. Go back till install. Then click on the install, foundry, analog, 180 mm. Then Ashura Tech Lab. Okay, so I have selected the Tech Lab. So 1 minute. Go back till install. Install, foundry. It is selected. No, it is showing it is selected, but it is not going inside. Install, foundry, analog. It is taking some 180 mm Ashura Tech. So this you can either type Okay, home, install Foundry Analog 180 nm Ashura Tech. This either you can type it or select. Apply. Save. Click on Ashura. Run. Click on Ashura again. Run DRC. So you are just observing this. None of you are noting down. These steps are very, very important. I don't know how you are going to make it here. Going to make it fine. Then technology is 180. GPDK 180. Click on OK. So DRC run has completed. Do you want to view the results? Say yes. No DRC errors. So there is a sufficient gap being maintained. Otherwise, if there are DRC errors, you have to delete these where DRC error is coming and redo properly. Click on Ashura, then run LVS. Run LVS, click on GPDK 180. Apply. You should get like this. Zero everywhere. Zero mismatch between schematic and layout. That means whatever connections are there in schematic, same things are there in layout. Sometimes we do mistake because when the circuits are complex, okay, one instead of schematic a mistake. So that you avoid. Click on OK, you will get schematic and layout match. So this is the flow from one schematic till layout, one part is. This is part A complete with WP equal to 2 times WN.
4U and 2.
Part B is there where these two are multiplied with 40. This is 20 and this is 40. Width and length here you have to multiply with 40. This you have to multiply with and accordingly change the W by N. Say here. So calculate. That is over.
So the only thing is to change the parameter value and run the whole thing again.
It will run. Okay. Lot of steps.